good morning. This is Faithlyn with Elegance for Less. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm going to do a wall mirror decor for you. And I'm hoping that this will be a glam, beautiful wall decor. So let's jump right into what we're going to need. You'll need the Dollar Tree tiny little spoon. These are the silver plastic spoons. You'll need 2 pieces of cardboard, Hobby Lobby mirror, and it's $9.99 and 50% off. So I basically took the mirror, placed it onto a cardboard for measurement, and you will need 2 pieces of them. You will need 10 of the Dollar Tree mirrors. And these are the oval shape Glam mirrors. They're the silver, like a princess mirror. So I hauled 10 of them. At Michael's, they had these gems and I loved the color on them and decided I wanted to use them. There is 3 different shapes in here. There is 2 of the pear shapes and the round shape. Oop, lost one. And this is what it looks like. Okay, you will need scissors to cut your cardboard or a razor. You'll need some beads. I decided I would probably go with the silver because the mirror is silver. So you'll need some silver beads. A pen for your circle around the mirror. Glue gun, glue sticks, and let's get started on this. Okay guys, so I went ahead and took my spoons with the scissors and just clip the top off of the spoon. So we'll have that to the side. Okay, so once you've glued the mirror onto your cardboard, just place that aside. Now we're going to take our mirror and determine where we want them to go. How far of a distance you want them to go. This is a personal preference. You just decide how far you want them and how many you want to work with. So I've chosen 10. And you can choose however amount you want to use. Okay guys, so once you have gotten where you want all the mirrors to go, just go ahead and take your pen and outline the handle. Then we're going to take each of the mirrors and begin to glue them in place. Okay guys, so I went ahead and placed the top onto the mirror. Once I've glued these oval mirror down, I add some glue onto the handle of them, and now I'm going over just to secure it a bit more. I'm just going up under and adding additional glue just to secure it. Okay guys, so once you've secured your mirror, you're going to flip it over and you're going to begin to separate your excess cardboard, the in-between cardboards. You can use scissors or you can use a a box cutter, razor, whatever you'd like. Whichever works easier for you. Okay, so it'll begin to look like this, where you're still getting your cardboard support and your circle in the middle, but in between is removed. So I'm going to continue that and I will be back. So after you've cut out your back side, you're going to go ahead and start with your gems. And I want to put a dab of glue in the center of my gem. And I want to take it up under the mirror. And place it right at the edge of the oval mirror. So once you're finished with adding all your gems all the way around, you're going to take the circle gem and you're going to place it right at the tip of your oval. Just like that. We're going to do that for all of these, and then we'll add our beads. Make sure they're straight. So this is the gems that are added. And now I want to go ahead and start adding the beads. And we're going to do this for the mirror on top, the round mirror on top. So go ahead, lay your glue down, place your beads. Okay guys, so the beads are on, and now I want to add just a few more gems to this. And so basically I just add glue to the mirror and went all the way around with the beads. Now I want to take the oval shape again, and I'm just going to go right at the tip of the mirror and lay this down to face the other oval gem. Just like that. I'm going to continue that. So guys, now I've added the gems all the way around, and now I want to add my spoons, the handle of my spoon. So I'm going to go into the center of the mirror, in between the gems, and I'm going to lay my spoon down. Make sure it's in between the mirrors. Once you've done that, you're going to take your little round gems, add some glue there, and add. I went ahead and add some gems to the tip of the spoon, the handle, and I add in between all the gems the actual spoon that you would have placed in your mouth. So I use the actual spoon and the handle of the spoon on the outside with some gems. I'm going to go ahead and flip this mirror over. I am going to take a piece of cord that I have and a piece of cardboard. Okay guys, so this is how the mirror turned out. Totally love it. I hope that you like it as much as I do. If you do, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, I hope that you will decide to become a subscriber and hit the subscribe button and be a part of our family. Thank you so much, and don't forget to leave me a comment. I truly appreciate it. I look forward to speaking with you guys, and I will see you on my next DIY.